Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create this amazing website without any product. Okay, so you don't have a product, all you have is some few amount of money, but you want to have an e-commerce website, a very big e-commerce website. Okay, and this is what I want to show you. So as you can see over here, this is a website with so many categories, e-commerce website with so many categories over here, but I created this website without any product, but I have product on it, and I want to show you how you can get this product on your website without specifically buying it and then resell it. Okay, and that is what I want to show you. So if you are interested in this video, please click the like button, and then if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and let's go. Now I'm not going to waste time in it. Okay, I'm just going to do an intro video of this whole website that I created. So this is a website I created. I was sitting down and thinking that I want a website whereby I want an e-commerce website whereby people will come and buy things on my website, and then I will buy it from somewhere else and then ship it to them. But I also thought about it that no, I can't handle shipping, I can't handle anything. Okay, all what I want is just a platform whereby people I'll have all this kind of like product on it, electronic product on it, and then people will order it, and then with just some few clicks on my side, I will order the product, and then they will ship it to they will ship it to the customer. So it's more or less like a drop shipping website that I was thinking about. So I decided to search and search and search and search, and then I found out that there is this bigger website over there which a lot of people buy things over there. Okay, now I can also buy things from there and then send it to my customers, but I wasn't having the money to do those things. So I decided to find out if I could get a plugin or something, a software that could be able to link my website to that website, and then import products from that website onto my website, and then when customers click and buy products from my website, I'll just do some few clicks on my site, and then it will go to the website, and then they will ship it to the customer. And I found a solution to it using a plugin called Ali to Woo plugin. Now this is a nice plugin where you can be able to use to design your own e-commerce website, not a multi-vendor website, but then it is an e-commerce website which is linking AliExpress website to your website. Okay, so this is a very powerful plugin. Now if you go to the back end of my website over here, I have a lot of products over here. Okay, a lot of products over here. All what I'm using is this plugin over here. Okay, which says Ali to Woo. Okay, and this is the plugin that I'm using. Now this is an e-commerce website which I created with WooCommerce. Okay, so Ali to Woo links WooCommerce to AliExpress website. Okay, so what I did was I installed the plugin on my website over here, and then I'll go to search products over here. Okay, and then I'll search the products that I want. So let's say I want a mobile phone. Okay, so I'll enter some keywords over here. So let's say I want a mobile phone. Okay, and then I'll look for the categories over here. So let me look for cell phone, mobile phones over here. Okay, and then I'll just search. Now it's gonna give me all the mobile phones that I will be able to import. So as you can see, I have all the mobile phones over here, or a lot of mobile phones that you can go through, and then just import onto your website. So how do I import them? So all what I need to do is let's say if I want let's say if I want this iPhone XR. Okay, so let's say this one. So at the moment I hover on this one, what happens over here? There is add to import list over here. I just click on it over here, and then it has been imported to my website. Okay, so if you look at my website over here, this is the home page of the website. Now I have computers and laptops. I have drones and cameras. I have headphones and speakers. I have home appliances, and then I have what, mobile phone and accessories. So as you can see, there is nothing to show over here. But let's go back over here, and then let me import some few mobile phones over here. So as I can also import this one over here, and then let me import the OnePlus. Okay, let me go to a different hot wave over here. Let me import this one. Let me import some few things, some few, if you think let me, this one too I want to import. If you think you are exhausted over here, you can go to the next page. So as you can see, this is page 1. I can go to the next page over here, and then there are a lot of mobile phones over here for me. So it means that it is picking all the products from AliExpress website to my website. Okay, so all what I need to do is just go through the ones I want, or the ones I feel like people will buy. Then I import it on my website. So I will add this one to my website. I'll add the Samsung also to my website. Okay, I'm going to add some few ones, and then I'll show you how I'll also add this Nokia. I like this Nokia. I'll add it to my website. And then maybe this Xiaomi Redmi Hot Note, is it Note 1 or Note whatever it is, to my website. Okay, so now that I have these ones imported to my website, now the next step I need to do is to go to my import list over here. So as you can see, I have 5 list imported. Now let me add some few ones over there to make it like 8. Okay, because I want to have 8. So let me add this one also. Okay, so I think it's okay for me. Now let me go to the import list over here, and then as you can see, these are all the the list that I imported. Okay, so I have a lot of about 10 products over here, okay, that I imported from Ali Express. Okay, so all these products are I imported from AliExpress, because I have linked my website using that plugin, Ali to Woo plugin, to AliExpress. So any product that is on AliExpress that I want it to be on my website, I can get it on my website. As simple as that. Now this plugin is so powerful, very, very powerful. And then you don't need to spend much on it. On this website, I spent almost I think the domain, the hosting, and then the plugin, it's not even up to 100 USD. Okay, and then I can get any product that I want to spend on my to sell on my website. And that is exactly what I want to show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, I have all these products over here, beautiful products over here. Now I want to push this product I have imported them, all right, but I want to push this product to my shop. Okay, I want it to be on my shop. Okay, so what I will need to do is over here we have push all product to the shop, or you can push specific product. Okay, so what I need to do is I just click over here, this button over here, and then say yes, and all the products will be pushed to my shop. So let's wait and see all the products pushed to my shop. Okay, so as you can see, my import is empty over here. Okay, so it means that all the product has been pushed to my shop. Now if I go to WooCommerce and then product over here, I can go to all products, and then I can see all the products that I pushed to the shop. Okay, so as you can see, all the products that I push to the shop is over here. Okay, so all the products, all the ones that you can see as draft, they are all the products that I push to the shop. Okay, and it is as easy as possible. So they are all draft. So all what I need to do is just go to quick edit over here, change it from draft to publish, and then I'll attach some categories to it. So it is mobile phones, right? So mobile and accessories, and then I'll do I'll click on update to update for me. So if I go to my website and then I refresh it over here, and then when I go to mobile and accessories, you see that the one that I updated right now is over here. Okay, so I can go over into it and then view every the customer can view all the details, everything about it. Okay, or everything about it over here. Okay, that is it. So the customer All these things I did not create it myself. It is just imported from what? AliExpress onto my what? Onto my website. Now you do so for all of them, okay, which says what? Which says draft. Okay, now what I will also show you is that now if you want to what? Edit something, okay, something about it. So let's say I want to what? Change the what? The title. Okay, I can what? I can do so about it. Now if I don't go, even if I don't go to, let's say, quick edit, I can even go into the product itself and then change everything that I want to change about it. Okay, so let's say I want to change the title, I even want to change the prices and all those things. You can do so with it. Okay, so you can do everything that you want to do with it. Okay, so as you can see, if you want to change the prices and other things, you can do so. But to help you for not changing all those prices one by one all the time, there is also something you can also do through the Ali settings. Okay, you can put some percentage on the prices, so that anytime you import a product, some kind of percentage will be on that particular price. So you can do all the editing that you want to do over here. Okay, so as you can see, you can do every editing over here, and even change if you want to change the product image, you can change it. Okay, all those things. Now if you are okay with it, you just click on publish. Okay, and then you publish this product. Okay, so that is it. So this is a very nice plugin that you can be able to use. Okay, so now let's look at let's go to the Ali settings, and I'll show you some of the amazing settings over there. So the shipping, everything, you can alter it. Okay, you can do everything that you want to do about it. Just some few settings that you have to set up, and then you work it. Now this product also does not even come alone, but it comes with this it's reviews. Okay, so if you look at this one, if somebody have really bought this product before, you realize that there will be a lot of reviews over there. Okay, so with this one, I think there are no reviews. Let me check and see if it comes with reviews. Now yeah, so this one doesn't have any reviews yet, but you can see over here that the product comes with reviews. Okay, and then you can modify the reviews, or you can publish all the reviews the way you want it. Okay, so you can approve all the reviews. So these are all pending reviews. Okay, you can approve all of them, and then it will show over here. Okay, so that is how you can also do it. So this product, this plugin, it's very, very, very nice. It is an amazing plugin that you can buy, and then within a twinkle of an eye, within some few days, you can be able to set up your your WordPress or e-commerce website very nicely. And then all you need to do is publicity to your website, and then you'll be sitting down making amazing money for yourself. Okay, so now let me take you through the settings. Okay, so if you go to the settings over here, as you see, when you hover on Ali, they have search product, import list, settings, shipping list, add-ons, and then help, and then migration too. Okay, so now when you go to the settings, with the settings, you can you have your purchase code over here. Okay, so you enter your purchase code over here, and then you can get all the other support that you need. Okay, if you have support for it, and then also import settings. Okay, so the language, the currency, the default product type. Okay, and then the default product status. So everything you can be able to alter it and do everything over here. Okay, so order fulfillment also. So when somebody buys something over here, now order delivery order status. Okay, do nothing means you are not going to do nothing, but what happens, AliExpress will do everything for you. Okay, so shipped order status, you do nothing. Place order status, okay, so you also do nothing. So all what you need to do is you just need to do some few clicks, and then when somebody order product over on your website, it goes to the what, the Ali Express website, and then because your website is linked with AliExpress, it is so easy for you to be able to what, for you to be able to order the products from that place, and then it will send it to what, the person straight away, without shipping, without anything. Okay, so you can alter everything that you want to what, that you want to, even you can override the phone what number from here. You can enter your own phone number over here, so that when somebody needs what support, what a person can get. And then also you need to have a custom note, because you are a drop shipper. You need to have some few custom notes over here. You can even write this one in what, in Chinese, okay, so that the supplier will understand that you are what, you are a drop shipper. Okay, you are a drop shipper, and then that will be all. Now to write this in Chinese, just copy this one, go to Google Translate, and then just translate it to what, to Chinese, and then come and paste it what, over there. Okay, and that is it. Now if if you go to pricing rules too over here, okay, now this is what I was talking about. Just go to what, pricing rules over here. Okay, now if you go to pricing rules, as you can see, I have set up my what, my pricing rules over here. I have said that $1 to what, to $10, there should be a markup of what, 3, okay, which is a multiplier. And then if it is what, 10.01 USD to 50 dollars, there should be what, a plus 20 to 8, okay, which is also what, a fixed what, markup. Okay, and then so any item which is what, $1 will be what, $3 automatically, and any item which is what, $10 will be what, $30 automatically. Okay, because it is what, multiplying. And then if you look at this one also, this one 100 to what, 200 have what, a markup of what, 50. Okay, a markup of what, 50 dollars. So it means that if the item is what, 100 USD, automatically it becomes what, 150 USD. Okay, so the same thing applies to what, applies to all these ones over here. You have a multiplier, you have a fix, and all those things. Okay, so that is what, basically how you can be able to what, how you can be able to how do you say it, fix your pricing rules and other things, so that you don't need to be changing it to what, one by one. Okay, so you can have your review settings, the shipping settings, the phrase filtering something, the API keys, and then what, the system info. All these settings are what, are there. Okay, and this amazing plugin does everything for you without you doing anything. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to get this plugin for a cheaper price. Okay, so to get this plugin for a cheaper price, just type in what, kitechdigital.com/dropshipping. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description, and then hit on what, enter. So I'll leave the link in the description for you to be able to get this thin plugin very cheap. Okay, you're gonna get it so cheap. Okay, now you're gonna buy it what, just 35 USD. Amazing. Okay, just 35 USD. You're gonna get this what, plugin to use it on your website. Create your own website. Now 35 USD, like for me, if you are in Ghana, is 350 Ghana cedis, which is money but no money. Okay, because you are creating what, you are creating a website for your future. Okay, which you're gonna have what, triple or quadruple of, so you're gonna have much more of what you are going to spend on this particular plugin. Okay, and that is the amazing thing. So if you need it, just type in what, kitechdigital.com/dropshipping, and then you're gonna come over here. You're gonna buy this one with very cheap. Okay, 35 USD. You're gonna have this. Now as you can see, it's have what, 7,052 sales, almost about 5-star rating, meaning that there are so many companies around the world that use what, this plugin. Okay, so if you see some website which is what, which is very big and amazing website, you think, oh, they created a bigger e-commerce website, they have so many products, all those things. Oh my friend, most of them, it has been linked with what, this plugin, which pick the products from different websites and come to what, your website. And that is why I recommend this plugin for you. Just buy this plugin, add to cart, and then what, proceed to checkout, and then download the plugin, and then have it on your what, on your website, and you can do amazing things as I'm doing over here. Okay, so I can what, I can go to my product over here, and then what, update all the products. Okay, and then people can be able to what, shop on my website. And then all what I need to do is this, sleep, wake up, go to my website, check some few details of it, click, 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 and then I order the thing for what, for them, and then I'm there. I haven't done any massive what, massive job. Now as your website becomes bigger and bigger, people are tripping into your website, become bigger and bigger, all what you need to do is what, to hire some few people to help you deliver faster for your what, for your customers. Okay, so that is what, that is how I created this amazing website over here with just what, 100 USD. Okay, with the domain and the hosting that I bought, and then the plugin over here. I created this with beautiful e-commerce website without spending much. Okay, all what I spent was what, 100 USD. It's not even up to 100 USD. It was about 90 something USD. Okay, because I used I use a link I'll put in the description for you to buy cheap domain, and then what, buy what, cheap hosting. Now if you go to the cheap domain over there, if you type in kitechdigital.com, okay, slash name cheap over here, you're gonna get what, a very, very cheap domain. Okay, make sure you use this link so that you can get all the amazing what, amazing support that you want to get on this one. Okay, so you're gonna come over here, and then what happened, you can buy cheap domains over here. Now as you can see, if you go to the domains over here, okay, so you can get a domain as low as what, as low as 2.898 what per year. Okay, instead of for the 8.48. Okay, so those of you who want the .us domain and all those things, you can be able to what, get it at what, an amazing what, price. Okay, so you can what, you can search your domain. You see .com domain have what, 6.98. okay, and people are selling it for 14 point something USD. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about, very cheap domain. And at the same time, you can also get what, cheap hosting. Okay, so if you go to what, shared hosting over here, you can also what, get an amazing what, hosting prices, which is what, 25 USD. So I bought this one 25 USD for my what, for my website, and I bought the what, the domain what, 6.9. So let's say I even bought the domain 9, let's say not even 9, let's say I bought the domain $8, and this one $26. Okay, so 8 plus 26 is like what, $34, and then I bought this plugin over here, $35. Okay, so 34 plus 35 is what, $69. Okay, so I even miscalculated it. So $69, what, I have what, a website on my own. I can create a website for myself. Okay, and then you can watch any of my YouTube tutorials over there to create an e-commerce website for yourself without spending what, much. Okay, and $69 is more or less like something you can spend within what, a week without getting nothing out of it. Okay, and that is what, that is it. So I hope this video help you, okay, to help you to create a business for yourself. Okay, so we are in the what, we are in the internet world whereby you have to create businesses for yourself, so that whenever you go and then your kids come to see what you've done for them, they will be what, they will be amazed. Okay, that is why I am showing you all these kind of tricks over here. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will act on it. Do not sit down. Okay guys, do not sit down. Make sure you pick what, a niche for yourself. Okay, so if it is not electronics that you want, AliExpress have a lot of what, a lot of things that they are selling. Okay, you can pick a particular niche for yourself, create different websites, okay, on that particular different niches, and then what, just what, make business out of it. And that is what, that is an amazing thing you can do for yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.